fun. Smoothie time. Welcome to the Smoothie Station. Come take a look.
All right. Every good smoothie needs a blender. Here's the blender. Now I need a smoothie cup. Today, making a fruit smoothie. Preloaded this guy with strawberries, blueberries, and mango. Oh, I can't forget the banana. I'm just gonna go grab that. Not a smoothie without a banana. All right, so been experimenting with smoothies for a while. I kind of like two different types: fruit smoothie or like oats, nuts, and coffee and stuff. Today it's a fruit smoothie because how good's this? Oh, wouldn't you want a fruit smoothie? Perfect spot for one. All right, so we'll get the banana in there. Nice and cold, straight out of the fridge. Might have a bit. Yep, tastes good. Goes in there. Dispose of your waste properly. What goes first? The yogurt or the milk? Well, always the milk. Otherwise, you get a bit of a yogurt plug in there and yeah, gets a bit funky. Been drinking this stuff lately. Lots of coconut cream in there, 15%. So it just makes your smoothie super coconutty and creamy, which I tend to like. Get that going here. Don't skimp on it. It's pretty handy traveling with a blender. Like, yeah, smoothies is the #1 thing, but curries, soups, milling up like, yeah, nuts and stuff. I made peanut butter the other day, that turned out pretty good. All right, keeping it real simple, no need to dirty a spoon. I'm just gonna pour that one in there. No one likes doing dishes, right? I mean, you could be doing something else, anything else. All right. Strawberries, mango, blueberries, banana, Greek yogurt, and some, yeah, coconut milk. There we go. Making a mess there. Ooh, yeah, that's the stuff. Oh, yeah. Gets a bit messy sometimes. Oh, and that's a brain freeze. Happy days. Thanks to the Milk Lab crew for all the stuff. Really appreciate it. It's like super thick and creamy, so you tend to only use about half as much compared to other stuff. And yeah, it just tastes good. Not many ingredients, and yeah, it really hits the spot. Thanks heaps.